नमस्कार. Myself Dr. Hridas Devidas Akhre, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade at Srimati Kokilabai Gawande, Women's College, Daryapur, affiliated with Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati, Maharashtra. This year marks the completion of 25 meaningful years in my academic journey. But for me, teaching has never been just a profession. It is a mission rooted in values, a journey of instilling ethics and nurturing the true essence of life in the hearts of learners. Beginning my career in 1999 as a high school teacher, I soon realized teaching is not just about textbook. It is about touching minds and transforming lives. In 2012, I earned a PhD degree on the life values embedded in the Abhangas of Sant Tukaram with NET set a higher qualification for senior college. Through my flagship program, Shod Swatacha Search Within, I have conducted over 1010 life skill workshops, fostering introspection, communication skill, leadership skill, ethical awareness, interview skill, motivation, goal setting among the students. As NSS program officer, I launched the initiative One Tree Per Girl Student, under which over 1000 trees were planted and nurturing them. Each sapling symbolized a seed of hope for the future. This initiative earned the University Environmental Award in 2021 to me. As NAC coordinator, I helped lead my college to achieve a grade B accreditation in 24-25. Not just a mark of academic quality but a reflection of our collective commitment. Awareness and civic responsibility. Alongside my academic role, I serve as Assistant Voter Registration Officer, and in 2024 I was honored as Voter Awareness Brand Ambassador for Amravati Lok Sabha, and through the campaign Matadar Raja Jaga Ho, Awaken O Voter King, we successfully achieved a 6% rise in voter turnout, an example of how education can powerfully awaken civic consciousness. I have authored 4 ISBN registered books, including Ya Punha Deep Ujaduya, a Marathi poetic translation of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Meri 51 Kavitaएं. My book on Sant Tukaram's literature has been included in the university curriculum, and I have been confirmed with the Sant Namdev State Literary Award and the Annabhau State Literature Award. With the National Teacher Award, late Marutrao Karade Memorial 2023, and the Best Marathi Teacher Award in 2022. Recently, I have appointed as a language expert for Bharatiya Bhasha Samiti, appointed by Government of India. As an invited speaker, I have addressed sessions at Kathmandu University, Nepal, and RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur, again at SGBU Amravati University, Amravati. Not just matter of honor, but a testimony to the outreach of knowledge. With over 100 kirtan, Warkari Kirtan, Pravachans performances in rural value education campus, and initiative for educational inclusion of the underprivileged, my singular goal has been this: education is not merely for degrees, it is to enrich lives with purpose and light. The National Teacher Award, if confirmed, will not only honor me but will celebrate the dreams of every rural girl's child, the hope in every sapling, and the spirit of value-driven, self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you. Jai Hind.